Okay, scholars, today we are looking at these I can statements. So, what do you think? I can break down 3 into 2 and 1 with things and drawings. I can write a number sentence for 3 as 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. So I'm going to say that one more time so we know what we're trying to achieve today. I can break down 3 into 2 and 1 with things and drawings. And I can write a number sentence for 3 as 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. So scholars, I know that in those I can statements, there might be some vocabulary that we do not know yet. So we're learning about a number sentence today. So I have this example of a number sentence. We see a 1 and a 2. We read our number sentence like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we read our number sentence like 1 plus 1 equals 2. In our number sentence, there is a plus sign and an equal sign. So our plus sign looks like a little small t, and our equal sign are just 2 lines on top of each other. So today we are going to be using our number sentences and our plus and equal signs. And scholars, we are going to be using these all year. So let's get started. Miss Weed has a little story for you guys. So there were 3 bears. How many bears? How many bears? Yes, you got it. There were 3 bears. I had 2 bears who wanted to play in the water. So I'm going to put my 2 bears in the water. So they're going in the blue, they're in the water. And I have 1, 2. Then 1 bear wanted to play in the forest. So I'm going to move that bear over to the forest, over here. All right, so I have one bear here. So I'm going to label that with a 1. And then I have another bear that was playing in the water. So I'm going to label him as 2 because then I know that there are 2 in the water. So I have 1, 2. Sorry, guys, it's a little harder to label online. But so I have 1, 2, and then I have 1 bear who is in the forest. So I'm going to label him as 1 again. So scholars, now I need to write a number sentence. So I need to write a number sentence. And I remember writing my number sentence that we started with 3 bears. We started with 3 bears. So I'm going to write a 3 first. That's how many bears we had all together. Now, since we had 3 bears all together, I'm going to write my equal sign because now I need to see, where did my bears come from? How did we get 3? So I see, because I labeled, that I have 2 bears in the water. So I have 2 bears that are swimming. So I'm going to write a 2 in my number sentence. And then when I write my number sentence, what else do I have to add to it? Yes, I have to add a plus sign. So I am going to write a plus sign. And then, how many bears did I have in the forest? That's right, I had 1. I had 1 bear in the forest. So my number sentence for this story is 3 equals 2 plus 1. Let's say that one more time. So scholars, we're going to say it with me. So that means everyone's mouth should be moving, saying the number sentence along with Miss Weed. 3 equals 2 plus 1. One more time. 3 equals 2 plus 1. Yes, awesome job. Okay, scholars, now I have another story for you. So, yesterday, Miss Ziegler was picking some flowers on her walk. So, she picked 1 red flower. Then she kept walking and she picked another yellow flower. And she liked the yellow flower so much that she got another one. So, let's count and label, how many flowers did she have? How many flowers did Miss Ziegler have? So I see 1, 2, 3. So Miss Ziegler has 3 flowers. Now, how many red flowers does Miss Ziegler have? Miss Ziegler has 1 red flower. So I'm going to put a 1 there. Then how many yellow flowers does Miss Ziegler have? You're right. She has 2 yellow flowers. So I'm going to label them 1, and then 2. So she has 2 yellow flowers and 1 red flower. So just like we did with the bears, Miss Weed's going to write a number sentence again. So this time, scholars, I'm going to ask you, how many red flowers did Miss Ziegler pick first? I know because I labeled that she picked 1. So I am going to write a 1. I'm going to write a 1. She picked 1 red flower. Then I'm going to add my plus sign because I know that she got more flowers. How many more flowers did she get? How many yellow flowers? Yes, 2. So now I'm going to write a 2. And then I'm writing my equals because that brings it all together. And all together, Miss Ziegler has 3 flowers. So scholars, we're going to read this number sentence 2 times. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Again, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Ooh, let's do it one more time. 1 plus 2 equals 3. All right. Awesome job, scholars. You did a great job learning about number sentences, and I can't wait to continue working on them.